Hello YouTube, on here. Today we're going to be doing ourselves a startup video on the Toyota Tundra. So y'all can see I've been driving it in the snow lately. We've just been driving the Land Cruiser, or LS 570, whichever one you want to call it. Elizabeth's car, my sister, is snowed in, it's stuck. She ain't going to be able to get it out, but this beast will be able to get out if we want to. Whenever they haven't started up in a while. Figured I'd start it up and show it to y'all. What the heck? The door's frozen. There we go. That's more light. Now it is dark in here, as you all can see, because I'm gonna wait for the light to go out because it's been snowing. It is cold, especially it's like 2 degrees this morning. Like literally 2 degrees. But let's go ahead and see if we can get her started. Hey, she's started up real good. 14 degrees outside. Let's see. East Tennessee, it's been snowing a lot. Alright, here we go. Yeah, this stuff. Get this stuff off. We're gonna have to make ourselves a little ice scraper. Oh. 969 to rev it. She is snowed in, I'll tell you. She's a bear. Ice cream. Yeah. Icicle. Don't taste too good, but yeah, we can get. Been driving the 230 out here today lately. This car ain't been that nothing. Got me in a clutch load for the 230, but back to what we were doing. Shoot, bomb took this. Hey, a scraper. That's what we're gonna have to use this. Well, tell you what I'll do. I'll put you guys inside a cab and I'll scrape and you guys can watch. So, here we go. Oh, it's cold out here. Oh crap, copyrights. Don't want to get copyrighted. Y'all stay tuned. Help to turn on the defroster. Stay tuned.